My name is Simon Albert Boudreault. I'll be talking about asset flipping. Asset flipping is to game development what sampling is to music. So the same way a producer will remix old albums into new music, I will transform old assets into new things. So remixing in games consists in finding something already existing that you somehow find value in. And once you found it, you give it a few tweaks and you extract what you find interesting. And then you put it in a new context. And now it has a beautiful new life of its own. I'll talk about how I integrated remixing into my work as a solo game dev and what are the different principles behind it and how it completely changed how I make games.